Welcome to Help Screen. And if you want to know how to delete Instagram search suggestions, first go to your Instagram app. And now just simply tap in the search icon at the bottom left. And now go for the search bar at the top. You should be able to see here all of your search. And now just simply select the X icon. You should be able to remove your recent searches. And when you tap on see all, you will have an option over here, clear all, and tap on clear all. Another option is just simply go to your profile on the bottom right corner. And then go ahead and go to the three lines to the top right and just simply scroll down over here, content preferences, and you should be able to see here reset suggested content. And from here you could just simply read all of these on what will this action do, and select next and select reset suggested content down below and tap on reset suggested content. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.